Hi, Dan here. We're going to go for lesson 3 on our Hedgehog and Cherries game. So you should have completed tutorial 1 and 2 already, so you should have the hedgehog steering around nicely and able to collect the cherries. We're going to make it a little bit more challenging in this tutorial by making these cherries move around in a random direction. So we need to learn how to use the random function. So we're going to make it move Greenfoot dot get random number 10, which means it will do a random number between 1 and 10, and then we'll do turn. Now the best way to do turn randomly is to do 10 minus Greenfoot dot get random number 20. So basically it'll be start at 10 and then it'll minus a number between 1 and 20, therefore it'll give you between minus 10 and positive 10 turn. Okay, let's try it. It works. They're moving around, but they're getting stuck at the edge of the screen. What I want to do as an additional bit of coding is to make them flip round 180 degrees when they hit the edge, to make it just that little bit more of an effective game. So I need a little bit more coding in there to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check if the cherries reach the edge of the screen. So get x will give me the x coordinate of the cherries, and if it's less than or equal to 5, that basically means it's on the left hand side of the screen. It needs to flip round. Or, two pipes is or, if get x is greater than the right hand side of the screen, which we actually, if we use get world dot get width, that gives you the width in pixels of the screen, minus 5, so it's when he's at the right edge. Might need some more brackets there. Let's just test that, see if it works. Oops, no, close bracket, create some space. Right, so we're just going to flip around, which is turn 180 degrees. Small I, there's my problem. Trying to figure out what's going wrong there. Wow, it's easy to make mistakes in this, isn't it? We've got to practice this a lot to make sure we're ready. Yes, because it's a function, it has the brackets. That looks okay. Turn 180. Now, we also need to do up and down. That's left and right. So up and down will be the same, but with y's instead of x's. And instead of get width, it will be get height. So that will check the edge of the screen and minus 5. Right, no red squiggly lines, so let's give it a try, shall we? Hopefully, when it hits the edge, it bounces back round again. Cool, it worked. So let's check if I can still collect the cherries. I can. Right, my next tutorial will cover how to create a scoreboard for every time you collect your cherry. Thanks for listening, guys.